what is this tank for here? That's oil?
Yeah.
So it mixes itself.
And unlike the RDs,
Does it have to be calibrated, or how does it know
does.
how much? How do you know?
it's on a gear drive that's RPM dependent.
Oh, okay, so it's mechanical.
Not only you can see a low port and a high port on both sides. This one oils the crank. This one actually oils the piston.
Wow. So it has two separate injectors.
Right. So the bottom one is a very, very low
Top
rate.
end, low end.
Right. And so it still has engine oil in the transmission and crank, but it puts off a spray on the bottom side, and two strokes create a suction coming up.
Yeah.
It actually pulls that back up into the mix after oiling the top
So
of the crank.
not only is it mixing with the fuel, but it's spraying a coat on the lower end, the bottom end,
Yeah.
and your bottom end has oil in it as well.
Right. So, but in that void, where this one actually sprays, it's part of the area that draws it back up
Yeah.
in through the intake port and then burns that part off.
And how much? So is the oil on the bottom end for like generally the transmission,
Yes.
or okay?
Yep.
And do you have like a compression release on it? Because there's no problem kicking it.
Two strokes aren't too that bad compared to the four,
The 4-stroke high compression, yeah. Those drums just those brakes just creep me out though.
You gotta mind your manners with them.
Oh yeah, this thing has got way more power than it has brakes.
Did he tell you got a new bike?
Yeah, is that we're at the dealer still?
So this one doesn't have the oil pump, does it? Does it have it?
No, you got to mix.
Factory it did.
So you mixed your oil in the tank before you put it in the tank, right?
I just put the oil in and pour, or the fuel in and then pour the oil.
Oh really?
If you think about it, it dilutes into that oil fast.
Yeah.
The vibration of this bike.
Yeah, it ain't like water. It just
Oh, that looks cool.
Do you guys have any smoking issues with them?
They don't smoke enough.
No, my
Doesn't
Vespa
smoke?
smokes bad. I built Vespa. This doesn't.
So I would imagine. I mean, usually smoking comes from too much oil, right?
Yeah.
A little rich.
But if you want to ride them hard, you got to get up on that ridge end if you want to do it.
So this came with mags, and we have the factory mags for it, but it was switched out. And this is a 350 RD rear end.
Those 350s are badass, man.